Hey screen printers, Mike from Texsource with some tips on matching your garment with the design and the ink that you'll use. Now this case, I've got the Soft Shirt brand, the same one I'm wearing right here. So this is a very soft 100% ring spun cotton, and the design that we're going to print on it in green is this distressed one color logo you can see on this film positive. Now, just because it's distressed doesn't mean that it's going to be as soft as it could be. And to make it as soft as it could be, we're going to take our regular green plastisol and we're going to add the Texsource soft hand base into it. Now, the great thing about this soft hand base is you can add any amount you want to the ink. So that's something for you to play around with and see where you like the soft hand base in the mixture. I usually do about 30–40%, and I just eyeball it into my regular plastisol. Now this is really good when you're printing darks on lights because you're not really dependent on the opacity of the ink. So I've actually added some to this before, but I'm going to flop a little more in there just because it's going to make it even softer. And I just want to show you how easy it is to mix this in with your regular ink. As you see, this is already just dripping in here. It is very, very soft. And once again, it is going to take a little opacity out of your ink. But in the end, if you're using this ink as a dark on light, you're not really going to have to worry about that. And the price is pretty reasonable too. I think a whole gallon of this is around $40. So you can have some of this in your shop, and anytime you want to just soften up an ink, toss some in there, mix it around. And if you really go heavy on it, it almost has a water-based like feel. So I've been using this stuff for years. So let's get this shirt printed here. Really don't need that much ink, but you can really feel it in the ink. The ink is just super creamy now with this soft hand base in it. And there you have it, the trifecta. You have a super soft shirt with a vintage type feel, and you have a distress print, which looks retro, and now you have a super soft hand print on it. So this is a winning combination and something that you should show your customers and something that you should do for your customers. Everybody needs some soft hand base on their shelf. Thanks for watching, and until next time, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.